Shut all the doors, windows. Shut all the windows. Guys, do you see that? We're about to die. Oh my god. Guys, I'm gonna die. What'd you say this hurricane was?
Sandy.
Hurricane Sandy? Really?
Sandria.
Are you stupid?
Sandria.
It's Hurricane Harvey, bro.
Look at the wind, bro.
Look at that.
Wow, would you look at that? How neat is that? That's holy shit.
We're gonna all die, guys.
Oh, it's quick.
No, we don't do squeaks around here. Food! The good stuff. The good stuff? I want the good stuff.
Regular sauce?
Was that understandable?
Okay, Caleb, so it's got barbecue
Yep.
on it. What do you want on it?
I don't want barbecue. No barbecue.
Alright, look.
I'm coming! Just wait. I feel official. Like, look at this. I'm Logan Paul status. Oh yeah. See, I don't like this though. You can't brighten this away. Oh my god, we're all dead. We're all dead. Can't hear nothing with that on. That wasn't even on, but hey. Alright guys. We're gonna sit here for a second. Hold on. Do you guys see this?
Hey, you only K gangsters.
Shut up, Jonah. No, get back here now. Come here. Come here. You're a nerd. Yeah. That happened. So, this get. We're gonna die. Like, honestly, bro. What?
Nothing. Want to suit you up?
If you hit me with that, you're dead.
Want to suit you up?
Stop. Put it. Ow! Ow! Stop! Ow! You can't hit me that hard. There's a cup holder in that.
It's a squiffy cup holder, see?
Oh no! No! Stop! 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 Stop!
I better be in the video. So
It won't. Bye! Alright, hold on. I'm gonna switch this to the front camera. I don't know why I did this the way I did, but... Guys, do you see these clouds? Do you see these? Minus my fan moving right there. Do you see these clouds? We're gonna die. That's my fog. But, yeah. Look at that. You see that now? And it's still like that? And it's still like that? Like, guys. Look at that. We're gonna die. Honestly. Like, no joke. No joke, guys. Oh, and then there's that one spot of happiness right there. It's like all sad and then... it's all sad and then you just pan over and... Oh, there's that one spot of happiness. It's pretty cool. But, yeah, I'm gonna switch this to the front camera. No, just. Guys, you wanna know how much money I make off of YouTube? Literally, I'll show you right now. Nothing. Literally nothing. I'm not just saying that because, like, I'm saying it because, like, bro. Status right now. Jonah's taking me. We're going to get pizzas. And, yeah. What do you have to say on this rain? If this is what we have, I feel bad for the people in Hurricane Harvey.
This is all from Hurricane Harvey.
Well, I know, but I feel bad for them because they have it worse.
Oh, Jesus.
Water! Not.
She's right.
Tabitha's car is still sitting at the house. That's someone else's. Whoa! So, how was your day? That's good. Oh, God. Alright. Yeah, so there was just a bird that flew out from underneath that dude's car. I don't know. Oh, no, honey, no! Oh my gosh. I was still vlogging, bro. Alright, we got our pizzas. I hope you enjoyed that. Oh my gosh. No, honey, no. I can't. Like, no. It wasn't,
Teachers are very cheeky.
Wow.
You're not a teacher.
Wow. My nerds. And on today's episode of Follow Jonah around the store. Stop it. It's rude. Guys, I'm sitting here editing, and I realize this idiot didn't make an outro for his video. So, yeah, that is what this is going to be. Just give me 1 second. So, yeah, don't forget to subscribe for more content. Twitter, Instagram, links in the description. Drop a like on this video if you enjoyed. And guys, I'm trying to get to 100 subs by the end of September, so please subscribe, hit that big red button. At least I think it's red, I don't know, because I'm colorblind. But, yeah, hit that button because it helps me. And, yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye!